Hello and welcome back to the channel. In the last video, I showed how we can upload a file folder that is unzipped from a zip folder, upload it to my drive under Google Drive. And that was the upload of the whole folder and every content within that folder. But what if we only want to upload a single file? Maybe there's a missing file that we need to upload, or maybe one of the file that we uploaded was corrupted. There may be cases where you might need to re-upload for some other reason. So in this video, I'm going to cover how to upload single or individual files to the folder that you have already created in Google Drive. So let's get started. So here I have amok folder as an example, created or uploaded based on the folder I have in my download folder here on my local drive, and now it is on Google Drive as well. So if we dive in, it has modules, and under modules there's module 1 folder, and there are 3 IPy notebook, basically Google Colab notebooks. However, if we check our folder module 1, what we downloaded, or our source file that we needed to upload into Google Drive, there are basically 5 Colab notebooks here, and looks like these 2 are missing. So how do we upload these individual files into this? Well, the easiest way to do that is just drag and drop from here to here. It's as easy as just grabbing that and dropping the file here. It will show you drop files to upload them to the module 1 folder. If you release the mouse button, it will automatically upload, and it shows upload complete with the green checkbox. Another way to upload this file into this module 1 folder is go to this button new and file upload. It will show you this pop-up window where you can select individual file that you wanted to upload. So it looks like in this case the last one, quest 3, is missing. So I'll select just that file and click open, and again it will upload and show that green checkbox, and all the missing files are now in my Google Drive. Again, this can be used to just upload whatever file you're missing, or if there's some file that were corrupted and you want to re-upload that file for some reason, this is very useful to know how to update your folder in the Google Drive. In the next video, I'll show you how we can access each of these individual files, whether they are Colab notebook files or CSV files that are inside the data folder. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching.